Hello everyone, my name is Idalia and today I will be showing you the features Educandy has to offer as well as how to use it. Educandy is an amazing Web 2.0 tool designed for educational purposes. The goal of it is to provide an easy way to create fun and interactive games that students can use to learn. It is very simple to use and it only takes a few minutes to create several different game options. Okay, so let's get started. When you open the website, it should look like this. It has an introductory video that explains the purpose and use of Educandy. If you scroll down, you can see the 3 easy steps to use the website. You create, share, and then the students get to play. If you scroll down even more, you can see a few sample activities. As you can see, they have a variety of options for the games. We'll take a look at some of them so that you can see how the games work. So we'll look at the word search. And as you can see, the title of this one is the orchestra. So we'll click play and has a list of words that we're looking for as well as a timer. And we'll try to find all of these. Probably won't look for all of them because it would be a little bit time consuming. But it's pretty self-explanatory and really fun and interactive for the students to use. It's kind of hard to look for the words as well as to talk at the same time, but you get the idea of the game. We'll go back and look at some other games. They have crosswords, spell it, which is kind of like Hangman, but with a chocolate bar since it's Educandy and everything is candy themed. We have anagrams, which can help with spelling, matchups, multiple choice, and memory. But we'll get started on how to create one. So if it's your first time using the website, you will go to create your first activity and it'll take you to a registration page. You just type in a username and an email and hit register and it'll send you an email and you just follow the steps on the email and reset your password and then you log in. However, I already created an account, so we're going to use that one. And this is what it looks like. It takes you to My Activities and you have 3 different options to create your first activities. So for this one, we're gonna take a look at all 3 of them, but we'll take a look at this one first. So you just name your activity, and we're gonna name it In the Classroom, and the subject will just be objects in the classroom. And click create. It'll take you to this screen and then you just add words. So in the classroom we have students and you click add word. We have the teacher. You have chairs. Desks. You also have pencils. Paper. You have books. And a lot more objects in the classroom, but since I'm just showing you how to create a game, we'll just use those. And as you can see, it already generated 3 different games for us to use. So a word search like the one I previously showed, and then we'll go through the spell it right now. And like I mentioned, it's kind of like Hangman, so it really helps the students learn how to spell. And you're trying to guess, so we're gonna go with oh wow. As you can see, my chocolate bar went down even though I created this. Oh, there we go. And then you click next, and you do the same thing again. But you get the idea of it. So we'll go back. And it also has anagrams. And to share this activity with your classroom, you can copy the link and share it. You can post it on the internet or anything like that. Oh, and for students to access it, they would just either download the app, which they don't have to, they can just look up the website as well, and share this code with them, and it'll take them straight to this activity. Now we will look at the other ways of creating an activity. So matching pairs, you click on that, and once again you name your activity. I will be using months this one. Create. And then you just write down a question and an answer for them. So, first month of the year. And then you write the answer. You add a pair. We'll go with holidays. So one is Valentine's Day. And you add an answer, and that's and one is Christmas, and that is in December. And as you can see, it already generated 5 different games for you to use. We'll go through the multiple choice. And then you click play. Once again, it has a little timer. And Christmas, if they put the right answer, it'll light up green, give them some candies. If they get it wrong, the timer will go faster, and they have another chance of doing it again. So they can replay it as many times as they want. For this one, I just added 3 questions to save time. So see, once again, if they get it wrong, this will run faster. But if they get it right, they get points, you get a little score, and it adds candy to them. And that's about it. We'll go back. And here it also gives you options to add an image or a sound. However, in order to do that, you would have to download the app. You can't add images or sounds on the website. You would have to download the app, but it's also free. So if that's something that you're interested, you can download that. But that's about it. As you can see, it's very simple to use. It's very It's not time consuming at all. You insert a question and an answer, and it creates literally 5 games for you to use within minutes. So it's a great tool to use in the classroom. It's very interactive for students. It's very cute with all the candy theme, and they can really learn a lot from an interactive game like this. So I really encourage y'all to use it in the classroom, or just have your students play games like this, or even if they're older, you can encourage them to create a game for like study purposes. They can create like a study guide using a game like this, and they can play amongst themselves. But if not, it's a great tool to use in the classroom, so I really encourage you all to use it. Thank you for watching. Bye.